Okay, this is Marco again with the End of the Woods Book Project here in the Washington Mountains, getting some water, procuring water. Now, we've got our water in our 1 liter container. What we want to do now is take a water purification tablet. One of these is 400 milligrams. It does 1 liter or 34 ounces of water. Now, this is corrosive, so that means you don't want to get it in your eyes. You don't want to get it in your hands. Easiest thing to do is take this cap off. We're going to tear open this package. Okay, it's right here, one of them. We're going to put it into the cap, and then we're going to throw the cap back on. Okay, move it a little bit. Now, the directions here say that we have to set it aside for 4 hours in the dark. So that'll take care of any impurities, not impurities, but any bacteria or anything in there that's not safe for us to drink. Now it says it works best in an opaque container, so plastic water bottle would be great. We don't have that right now. We have to use what we have. This is a really nice stainless steel one. It's got a clip on it. I'll be doing a review on that a little bit later, and also on this little kit here that I'm using to purify the water with. One thing I do want to tell you, this isn't just something I've read. I've lived it. I've done missionary work in the early 90s, and I've drank bad water before. Trust me, it is something that you never want to go through. It's very dangerous. And back then, there wasn't that much they could do about it with, certain things that would happen to you. There's always been some sort of medicine, but in certain things, there's not much you can do, and you're in for the ride, and trust me, you won't like it. So I speak from experience, not just from reading books. Also, when I talk to you about sanitation and different things in food, I was in the restaurant industry for 5 years. My last 2 years, I was a food production manager and a night manager, so I know about sanitation when I give you some different advice. Yes, I did have to take 15 hours of continuing education in book classes, but I've also worked it. I've worked with food, I've cooked, I've washed dishes. I know what it's like. So when I give you some advice, it's from something that, that I've lived, that I've done, because I was in the food business before also. So this is just something that I just want to stress. You don't want to drink bad water. Right now we're just using these tablets. It's really quick. Later on we'll get into more primitive methods of water, cleaning water, like using a 2 liter plastic bottle with several layers of sediment to purify the water through. But we'll get into that later. Right now we're just doing some very simple things to make sure that you drink good water instead of bad water. Anyway, I appreciate your viewing. Thank you very much. And I just can't stress, ladies and gentlemen, please, if you drink water, make sure it's safe. Thank you again.